Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. My name is Cassandra Thompson and I am your very normal gal beauty lover here on YouTube in her 30s. So today, another day of 30 days, 30 looks, and because of my beauty resolution of getting through all my foundations and BB creams before I can buy a new one, I'm mixing it up and using another one of my little sample guides today. So this is the Purlisse BB Tinted Moist Cream. It's a terrible name. SPF 30, and it says it's natural looking coverage, flawless finish. We shall see. So I think I tried this once before because I've definitely at least swatched it before it was open. And I want to say it was pretty strong coverage. I don't know why. I know some people still use a beauty blender on BB creams. To me, BB creams are supposed to be kind of a heavy tinted moisturizer, so I always just go fingers first, but this one's so thick I probably will go over it with my beauty blender just to set it in. My mirror is not right today. Okay. I'm looking super shiny on camera. And I've got something in my eye. So I don't think I would call this a natural looking finish. I would call this a pretty dewy finish. I mean, I'm like shining. I'm gonna put a little bit more on this cheek and down here because it just didn't get as much from that last little bit. Let's see if it's buildable. So we're definitely gonna be setting this with powder. It's real shiny. Okay, going back to my trusted and tried Maybelline Age Rewind for under the eye and apparently on the eye. See? Messy, people. I'm messy. And not doing fancy techniques today. I don't have time. Because I got it on this eye and it even out, we're just gonna do that. Okay, and then concealer wise, I'm using NYX, or not NYX, excuse me, Wet n Wild. I didn't like the NYX one. I took it back. It is weird to me that when I see other YouTubers, they're always just, when they use concealer, it's always just under eye. Like apparently they have no other places on their skin that need help. Like I have other issues. Nobody else. Also, because I always think it helps with the redness, putting it right in those corners. Cheek today, I haven't used this in a while. I love, you wouldn't know it because I barely use them, I love Stila convertible colors. These are like, if I was on a desert island, this is what I would bring. I've been so obsessed with getting that nude stick used up that I haven't used this as much, but these are amazing. This isn't my, this shade's nice. This isn't my absolute favorite shade. I think this is the one that came with a birthday gift. Peony is my favorite shade. I mean, the back is just demolished. Peony is my favorite shade. I've hit pan, and this is my second one. I can still tell you when I learned about it. I learned about it in college when I dyed my hair dark brown and had to go get completely new makeup because all my stuff as a blonde looked completely washed out. And in college, Stila was still at Nordstrom, and there is a period of college where I was all Stila all the time. It's the only thing I used. So went in and she put this on me, and to this day, it's the best. It's the absolute best. That's on. I'm not gonna do highlighter or bronzer with this today. We're gonna wait. And today, because this is so shiny, I don't think Wowder will be able to do it the same. I'm gonna use Too Faced Born This Way. It is a good BB cream, don't get me wrong. It's just real, that's not one you can just put on your face and just go unless you like a really dewy look. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows really quickly with my e.l.f. powder. we're gonna risk something today. I am going to use that City Color contour palette, and let's just test this on my hand first. Like, will it blends out pretty far. So I don't think that's the brush I should use. You know what? We're gonna try it with the little Sephora foundation brush that I never use for foundation. Okay, so these are so soft that a lot like kicks up when you do it. You like that line? Don't worry, gonna blend it out. It's not that it's dark that's the problem. I think it's a little too like ashy for my face. Like the gray tones underneath are not quite right. I don't know. It's doing the job. Whoo! It's doing the job though. It just has to be really blended out. Gonna use a little it side. Okay, it wasn't as bad as I thought it could. And then the white part has, can you see that right there? It's got way too much shimmer in it to be used as an all over, which is kind of a bummer because I would have liked to use it that way. There used to be a NARS palette that had a great, like, just all over white highlighting powder with no shimmer. Today I'm gonna go in with this kind of apricot-y color from Sweet Cheeks. Yeah, that Pure Lease is definitely dewy because even with the powder, I am looking, I mean guys, that's a dewy look. There will be no highlighter today. Using up the Milani. We'll do what we did yesterday. While it's setting, I will put on lipstick. So this is the Too Faced Melted Matte. I got this as a 100-point perk. Or no, I got like a deluxe sample at Sephora. How do we feel about that? Color-wise today, I'm bringing out Perfect Filter. And this is going to be pretty basic. So starting with, you know, the nice beige all over the eye. Still not sure how I feel about these e.l.f. brushes. Okay, then I'm going to take just the taupe brown and put it in the crease, pulling up pretty high actually, higher than normal, pulling out. I just took a major chunk out of the green with my nail. We're not using green today. Okay. Then I'm going to take my angled brush and go into that bronze and go back in the corners. And I am going to take it and use this dark forest green to just smoke along the eye. Like really, it's not even smoke. Just give like the lightest of eyeliner looks. And underneath as well. Okay, so not gonna line the inner rim on top, but I am gonna use my new NYX Wonder Pencil that I can't get the plastic off of, and line my inner rim on the lower side to brighten up the eye. Going to put on mascara, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I thought my camera was recording, and it wasn't, but I have been adding Buxom's Amy Gloss. It's like a gold champagne shimmer. And that reminded me, I do want to put on highlight today. just because I want to use this Becca one more. This is Champagne Pop. It's a lot. Now we will end with Smashbox Primer Water. It can be used at the end too, and I can finally take my hair out from behind. That looks kind of crazy right now. It doesn't look crazy in person, but the angle on camera is looking bizarre. So that is it for this look. Give it a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below. Have you tried any of these products? What do you think of them? And I know, what's your favorite BB cream? I'm always interested, so let me know what your favorite is. And with that, you should be getting suggestions right now of other videos I think you'd like, so please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!